Teachers.
Did you tutu?
No.
All right, can you say the people we know? Can you say Gigi and...
Papa.
Can you say Grandma and...
Papa.
Can you say Gangi and...
Papa.
Oops. Good job. Can you say Joe and...
Lena.
Yay. Can you say Eddie and...
Rachel.
Good job. Can you say Juju and...
Papa.
Juju. Juju. Aunt Juju.
Teacher.
And...
Cookie.
Cookie.
Yeah.
What about Juju and D?
Juju.
Yeah. What about Troy and...
Lena.
No, Troy. And... Kelly.
Patty.
Yeah. Bridget and...
Lena.
Bridget and...
Lena.
What's her husband's name? Chris. Bridget and Chris? You're not gonna say anymore? You're a silly girl, you know that? It's Mommy's finger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick up me.
What? You want me to tickle you?
Yeah.
Tickle you? Tickle you, tickle you, tickle you.
Pick up me.
Tickle you. Like this? Tickle you. Whoa. Oh. That's your belly. You're so silly. You're so silly. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.